versus Russell Kaima for our Emirates category. Semi-final game, semi-final match, do or die game. Abu Dhabi versus Ras Al Khaimah. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketball tonight. And our two referee for tonight, Referee Biner and Referee Johnny. First five on Abu Dhabi. Each air Balasan, Robert Louis.
Perfect.
It was our live coverage of Basketball tonight. It's Abu Dhabi versus Rock. First five on Abu Dhabi, it's Sagud, Laberlui, Air Balasan. Uno. And the Wonder Boy, first five on Russell Kaima. Momo, Madrid, Gadora Parador, and Pirocho. Ball game, Russell Kaima versus Abu Dhabi. First position of Abu Dhabi is Uno. Paso na Bernoy, Laet foul. Foul on number 29 on Bugo. First on Bugo. First team foul on Rock. First shot coming from Laberlui. Two out of two by Laberlui. Pirocho. Steal again. Boom. Looking by steal by Sagon. Sagon to Uno. Oh, in and out. Uno again. Sagon. Rebound on Bungo. Out the door, Raponador. Now again, steal on Abu Dhabi. Sagon, 1-1. Nice pass outside to Laberlui. Laberlui looking for Uno. Uno to Laberlui. Take the shoot. Foul on number 27 on Dador Raponador. It's second team foul on Rock first against Dador Raponador. 2-0 score. Still Abu Dhabi up by 2. It's one of two coming from Robert Louis. 3-0. Now it's violation again on Russell Kaima. Back to back turnover against Russell Kaima.
Dalawa free throw lang na. Wait lang.
Time to shoot. Oy! Sagon. Block! Rep. Yung free throw ni Sakot dalawa yun? Isa o isa lang? Yung permit unang free throw dalawa. Isa lang. O yung una. Oh, 3. Dalawa. 3. Tara. 3. Tama. 3-0 score. 3-0. Dalawa. 14 to shoot. 14. 10. High. Short. Rebound on Pirocho. Now Pirocho. Guarded by 2. Drop. Oh! It's turnover again on Ras Al-Khaimah. 8 minutes. 3-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Nice pass. Now looking for Wonder Boy. Uno. To Sagun. 14 to shoot. Fake. Right. Open jump. Too strong. Rebound on Rock. Now Madrid. 1 and all. Madrid run. Madrid. Yes on Madrid. 2-3. 1 point lead Abu Dhabi. Louis. Now Pay. Sagun. Stop. Pump. Too strong again. Rebound on Madrid. Now Laberloy. Laberloy now running. Pump. Laberloy. Too strong top. Laberloy. Balason. Bang. Here Balason. 5-2. Steal again. Laberloy. Sagun. Now Sagun, 1 run. Sagun goes to coast. Too strong. Top. Time out. On Ras Al-Khaimah, our score 5 against 2. 3-point lead Abu Dhabi.
Hello, do you guys have affordable?
And we'd like to thank our sponsors, Color Sports, UFBL, Weiss, and Basketballista Mike. Now Pirocho. Back to Pirocho. Oh, 8-second violation again. 8 seconds violation against Ras Al-Khaimah. Back-to-back turnover now on Ras Al-Khaimah. It's 5 against 2. Now, Uno now. Uno. Looking for 10 to shoot. High. Rebound Pirocho. Now, Tador na Parador. Tador now. Oh, still Madrid. Pass. Lumson. Foul. Foul on number 14 on Wonderboy. First personal foul against Wonderboy. First team foul against Abu Dhabi. Pirocho. Momo. Stop. Bump. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Good! Oh, now 5-all. Now first 10 leg of the game. 5 minutes. Uno! Short! Top! Uno again! Technical foul on number 29 for taking a foul. Our score still 5-all. Now 6-5, 1 point lead back to Abu Dhabi. In second personal foul on Umo. Short. Rebound on the door, Parador. Pass to steal again on Uno. Uno. Dador Parador. Pirocho. What a move coming from Pirocho now, 7-6. 1 point lead now, Ras Al-Khaimah. Air Balason. Air Balason stop up. Air Balason. Oh! Ano mo ba Air Balason? 8-7. Now 1 point lead on Abu Dhabi. Steal again. Laberloy. Laberloy, Laberloy, Laberloy. It's Russell Kaima ball. 4 minutes. Pass, Dadora Palador. Wow, it's offensive foul on Dadora Palador. It's 1-4 penalty on Russell Kaima. First, on Dadora Palador. Laberloy. 1. 10 to shoot. 5. 5. 24 shot clock violation 24. 3 minutes. Madrid. Whoa! Lungsod. 9-8. 1 point lead now. Russell Kaima. Sagon.
Foul number 6. Asmas Morgan number 8. Yes.
Foul on Lungsod. And a sportsmanlike foul on Laberloy. Sportsmanlike foul on. Now, Russell Kaima, penalty tayo, penalty na tayo. Dito, technical. Red, kabila, technical. Yung nga, dito sila doon. Dito doon, Russell Kaima tayo. Yeah, doon ang kwan nila eh. Saan sila susunod?
Bibigyan natin na isang technical.
Oh, saan yung bibigay?
Technical. So one shot mo.
Ah, one shot. Okay.
One shot mo lang dito, tapos dalawa dito sa... Shooter mo na sa pula.
Wala naman tayo. Technical tayo.
Huwag niyong ginugulangan na. 2 shot na kayo, plus ball possession. Setan motion na yan. Ang spot, tapos technical motion. Huwag niyong ginugulangan namin ng rules. 1 shot, tapos dalawang shot. Okay.
9 all now. 9 all. Two minutes, 48 seconds. It's offensive foul on Querocho. Offensive foul tayo, wala tayong free throw. Offensive foul. Sagon.
10 naman dapat.
Querocho, foul yun. Lagyan mo siya.
Oh! It's Balason! 11-9. 2-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Turnover again. It's turnover on Abu Dhabi. In and out. Rebound on Querocho. Dadora Palador. Nice move. Foul on number 14 of Wonderboy. 13 foul. Abu Dhabi. Second personal foul on Wonderboy. Too strong. Rebound on Barasun. Now Sagon. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Sagon! Now 11 against 14. 1 minute. Uno. Short. Labeloy. Now it's Erban Lason. 16 against 11. 5-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Pierocho. Nice move, Pierocho. 31 seconds. Wonderboy. Uno. Too strong. Sagon. 10 seconds shoot. Short. Pierocho. Steal by Sagon. Steal again. Pero 10 seconds. Foul. Foul on Sagon. 1-4 penalty on Abu Dhabi. 7 seconds, 7. Against 16, 3-point lead, Abu Dhabi. Five. And now for first quarter, our score is 16 against 13, 3-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Again, we would like to thank our sponsors, Color Sports, Basketballista, TUI, and Mang Inasal, Abu Dhabi. Second quarter tayo, Abu Dhabi ball, Abu Dhabi.
May jump ball, di ba? May jump ball? Ilang kayo? Siyam? Siyam lang. Wala tayong pilihan siya.
Isia, let it fly, tell them. Same ball, same ball. 14 to shoot. Castillo, bang, Castillo. Now Laberloy. Atom bomb. De Torres. Nice fake. Steal again by Castillo. Tell them, let it fly. Oh, let it fly. Tell them. Now 17-16. Laberloy. Still now again on Chanchenko. Chanchenko drive, looking for Isia. Back to Castillo. Martin Petri. Castillo again, Laberloy. It's Laberloy now. Laberloy. Stop up. Bang! Laberloy. 18 against 17. Back to 1 point lead on Abu Dhabi. Bang! Oh, Isia. 20 against 18. Now Russell Kaima up by 2. Short. Rebound on Castillo. Chanchenko. Bang! Castillo. 22-18. Now it's for 4 point lead on Russell Kaima. Then to shoot. Hey!
Okay, pinilit na.
Bang! Now 20 against 22. It's only 2 points lead on Russell Kaima. Chanchenko. Let it try. Short. Rebound on Escalante. Now it's foul. Foul on Agent Makalalat. First personal foul on the Agent Makalalat. First against Ruckus Al-Qaima. Laberloy. Time to shoot.
Shot na.
Five.
South.
Rebound on Castillo.
Wag.
Now Chanchenko. Oh, is Chanchenko 24 against the 20. 4 point lead now on Russell Kaima. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot.
Alin. Nice.
Foul. Foul on Manakalalat. Second personal foul on mga time out. On Russell Kaima. And again, we'd like to thank all major sponsors, Scorer Sports, Basket Police Mike, Chewy, and Mag-Isa, Abu Dhabi. To referee for tonight, referee Biner and referee Johnny the Great. 2 free throw shots coming from Rod Passion. Now let it fly, Belgium. Still 1-and-1 drive, side step, too strong. Now let it fly, Belgium. Now Isia, looking for his teammate. Back to Chanchenko. 10 seconds to shoot. This was my line foul on Castillo. Blue free throw shot coming from Laberloy.
Referee tayo. Referee. Wala akong gagawa. Referee decision tayo. Wala sa committee. Referee tayo. Referee tayo. Referee tayo. Referee tayo.
21 to 24. It's 22 to 24. 2 point lead on Russell Kaima. 5 minutes remaining time. 5 minutes. Laberluy. Ron. Bang! 24 all. 24. And then try. Steal again on Laberluy. Laberluy drive. Laberluy. Short. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Magkalalan. Agent. Rebound on Castillo. Basket down and 1 on Castillo. Foul on number 19 on Chantal Weng. His first on Chantal Weng, first team foul against Abu Dhabi. 26 to 24. 2-point lead on Rock. Yes. 10 seconds lead. Isia. Bam! The Mighty Mouse. Isia. 28 to 24. Laberluy, 4 minutes.
Nice.
Castillo. Natatango. Whoa! Isatango, 33 to 24. 6-point lead now, Russell Kaima. Laberluy. Chantal Weng. Black again on Castillo. Isia. Black. 10 seconds to do. 10. 5.
Time out.
Time out on Abu Dhabi. Three minutes remaining time, 3 minutes. Laberluy. And the best Tango. 10 seconds to shoot. Black, 5. Short. Now Chantango. Chantango again. Turnover on Russell Kaima. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 6-point lead on Russell Kaima. Nice pass, nice moves, it's foul. Foul on Isia. First personal foul on Isia, third against Russell Kaima. Makalalan, Agent Makalalan. Now Chantango. 2 minutes. Black by Pasyon. Foul on number 19. It's second team foul against Abu Dhabi. Two minutes remaining time. It's 2 minutes. 31 against the 24. It's 7-point lead now, Russell Kaiwa. Two out of two, coming from the agent, Mangalan. 32-24. Turnover again, it's turnover on Abu Dhabi. 1 minute and 48 seconds. 24 against 32. Cantego. Back to Isia. Now, rebound against Cantego, 14 seconds. Cantego drive. Too strong. Rebound on Passion. Passion 3 on 2. Drive. It's foul. Foul on 0 on Isia. Second personal foul on Isia. Warning for penalty on Ras Al Khaimah. 1 minute and 21 seconds. 40 to shoot. Short. Now it's Cantego all alone. All alone. To score. It's foul. Foul on Isia. Third personal foul on Isia. Penalty, not penalty.
Tatlo.
Oh, okay. Huh?
1 minute and 12 seconds. 32 against 24. 8-point lead on Ras Al Khaimah. This is our semi-final game. Do or die match between Abu Dhabi and Ras Al Khaimah. Now 25 to 32. 7-point lead on Ras Al Khaimah. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Now Isia. Pass to Cantego. Let it fly. Tell them. Short. Rebound again on Castillo. Castillo. In and out again. Castillo. 50 seconds. Number Louis. Black. It's same ball. 46 seconds. 46. 40 to shoot. 40 to shoot. 10. Black! Rebound of Passion! 30 seconds! Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Passion! 20 seconds! 15! 10 seconds! 5! And now our second quarter score is 32 to 28. It's a 4-point lead now against Ras Al Khaimah. Again, we'd like to thank our major sponsors, Scorer Sports, Basket Police Tamay, Voice, and 6-2.
Ilan na kayo? 10?
Third quarter tayo, third quarter.
Derek. 10 sila, wala tayong additional ha.
Wala tayong additional lang, 10 sila. 10 yung lagi, 10. O, takip tayo, Sir Jerry. Takip tayo, Sir Jerry. Third quarter. Now, Sagon. Rebound. On the fly, Kelvin. Dinere. Turnover again, turnover on Russell Kaima.
Sige, bilisan nyo.
Sagon. Nice bait. Short, top. It's Wonder Boy. Oh, nice defense on. It's foul. Foul on number 14 on Wonder Boy. It's third personal foul on the Wonder Boy. First against Abu Dhabi. Francisco. Donaire. Hey, stop. Too strong air ball. Now, Uno. Uno now, Gabriel Pirocho. Sagon. Big, nice move. Wonder Boy. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, the Wonder Boy! 31 to 32. 1 point lead now against Russell Kaima. Donaire. It's same ball, 14 to shoot. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Donaire. Back-to-back steal. It's Uno. Uno na, grab. Uno! It's turnover again. Uno, take. Now, it's Sagon. Hey, grab, it's foul. Foul on number 1 on Pirocho. First team foul, Russell Kaima. Third personal foul on Pirocho. Wow, Sagon. 1-1, Sagon down, big Sagon run, nice move by Sagon. It's Uno, shot by Uno. Pirocho. 1-1, Pirocho now. He's still on Wonder Boy. It's 1-2. 2 on the move. Uno. Pass to Sagon. Big. Sagon. Time out. Oh, Russell Kaima. Now 33 to 32. It's a 1 point lead now. Abu Dhabi. 6 minutes and 43 seconds remaining time for our third quarter. It's Abu Dhabi now up by 1. It's 32 against the 33. Madrid.
Oh, sige. Ang suman siya. Hindi? Ha?
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Pirocho! 35 to 33. Back to 2 point lead on Russell Kaima. Short, too strong. It's Herman Lasso. 35 all. It's 35 all. 5 minutes and 55 seconds is this shall do or die match between Abu Dhabi versus Rock Madrid. Looking for Pirocho. Second time around. Bang! Bang, 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 bang. On Pirocho. 38 to 35. Now 3 point lead on Russell Kaima. Still on Pirocho. Pirocho drive. Pirocho. Foul! Basket count. And as for like foul on Sagon. Substitution left sub. It's Cholo. It's unsportsmanlike foul on Cholo.
Sige lang. Go, Saba. Boss, Saba. Boss, kayo kita nagsaba.
Basket substitution na pa.
Gabi ko. Reps up, reps up!
Sige lang, dyan ka lang din. Sige ka lang.
Now 40 against 235. 40 to 35.
Huwag mo ibigay kay Boss Mike, ha?
Bang! Castillo! 42 against 235. 5 minutes. Airball. Castillo. Airball. Now Laberloy. Laberloy ng running. It's Laberloy. It's Laberloy looking for El Balason. El Balason straight. Ah! What a block. Isia. Drive. Stop up. Isia. Bang! Isia. 44 to 35. 9.8 now Russell Kaima. Laberloy. Uno. 10 seconds to shoot. 10. 5. Short. Uno. Is foul. Paolo number 99 ng Castillo. Substitution left. Second team foul on Russell Kaima. Second personal foul against Castillo. Sagon. Pirocho. Back to Isia. Oh, it's a moving foul on Madre. 13 foul Russell Kaima. First against Madrid. 3 minutes tayo, 3 minutes. 44 to 35, sa 9.3 on Russell Kaima. Ah, Pirocho. Pirocho, Pirocho! Time out! On Abu Dhabi, it's 46 to 35. 11.8 now on Russell Kaima.
Ilan na ba itong player nila?
Two minutes, 46 seconds remaining time. It's 46 to 35. 11-point lead on Russell Kaima. Short! Agent Pakalalad, 90 bounce. Madrid. Top. Now it's Sagon. Running now. It's 3-on-3. Sagon running with Pirocho. Sagon now. Looking for Laberloy. Laberloy. Short. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Isia. Now Pirocho. 10 to shoot. Ah, now it's still. El Balason. Man! No one can stop it. El Balason.
Balaso.
1 minute and 32 seconds. 40 to shoot, 40. Laberloy. Atopong. Rebound again by El Balason. El Balason going to do. 10 seconds to shoot. Pasyon. Bang! 39 to 46. Now 7.3 on Russell Kaima. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Wala.
1 minute. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Don Pirocho! 50 seconds. 49. Number 2 is Nick. Foul on number 1 on Pirocho. Now Pirocho, fourth foul on Pirocho. Warning on Pirocho. Warning for penalty as well as Russell Caimon.
Apat na, Pirocho.
37 seconds. Basket substitution there, basket substitution. Seconds, 37. Stop, substitution. 49 to 40. 9-point lead now, Russell Caimon. Now, Santiago. Looking for Magalan. Madrid. Longson. Back to Santiago. Isia. 10 to shoot. Rebound up. Madrid, what a move! Madrid! 51 to 40. 5 seconds. And now for third quarter score, it's 51 to 40. 11-point lead on Russell Caimon. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. Fourth quarter, white ball, rock. Again, we'd like to thank our major sponsors, Honor Sports, Basketball Islamay, Chewy, and Mang Inasal, Abu Dhabi. Last quarter. It's rock ball. Santiago. Guarded by Uno. Isia. Back to Santiago. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by Sagon. Now it's 5-4. Sagon stop. Looking for Uno. Jumper. In ball. Herbalason. It's Herbalason now for 2. To 51. 9-point lead on Russell Caimon. Santiago. Makalalan. Looking for Isia. But Lungsod. Top. Rebound. Bang! Basket count and 1 on the agent Makalalan. Foul on Herbalason. First team foul against Abu Dhabi. First personal foul on Herbalason. It's 9 minutes remaining time. 53 to 42. Back to 11-point lead on Russell Caimon. Justin. Laberlouis. Laberlouis now. Yo go. Wow. The ball is Abu Dhabi ball. Abu Dhabi. Substitution up. Substitution. It's Abu Dhabi ball. 53 to 42. It's an 11-point lead against Abu Dhabi. Sagon. Now Uno. Time to shoot. Short. 14 sa data 14. Now 44 against the 53. Back to 9-14 on Russell Kema. Chantego again. Uno. Substitution up, substitution. Stop. Stop. Uno out. Stop. Chantego to Pirocho. Short. Makalan. Black by Sagon. Laberloy. One people for Chantego. Isia. Stop. Pump. Short again. Makalan. Big. 10 seconds to shoot. Whoa! Castillo! Time to shoot! 5! 24 shot clock violation, 24 substitution up, stop! 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Still 11-point lead on Russell Kema. 55 against 44. Sagon. It's foul. Foul on number 22 on Manalastas. First on Manalastas. First, second team foul Abu Dhabi. Sabra. Wala pa. First on Manalastas. Second team foul against Abu Dhabi. Isia. Pirocho. Bang! Oh, Pirocho. 58 to 44. 14-point lead Russell Kema. Sagon. Still again on Russell Kema. 2-2. Isia to Pirocho. Bang! Oh, Pirocho. 16 to 44. 16-point lead now. Foul. Stop. Foul on Chantego. First team foul on Russell Kema. Second personal foul on Chantego. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Sagon.
Masa na! Iba pa!
Thank you! Foul on Air Balasos is 13 foul on Abu Dhabi. Second personal foul on Air Balasos. Isia. Magkalan. Back to Isia. Now Mighty Mouse now is good. The Mighty Mouse top. Pirocho. Short. Top. The agent Magalanan. 62 to 44. All by Russell Kema. Uno. Carlos Pirocho. Top. Elbows down. Inanatay uno. Rebound on Magalanan. Now 4 minutes. 44 to 62. Pirocho. Uno. It's Sagon. All around Sago time. All more by Sago. 56-52. All steal by Russell Kaima.
Castillo. Pirocho.
Substitution steps up. Foul on Air Balaso. Now warning on Abu Dhabi. Substitution steps up. Third personal foul against Air Balaso. 2 free throw shot for the agent. Makalat. Warning for penalty Abu Dhabi. Warning for penalty.
Nice shot.
Bang! No one can stop it. Pirocho. 60-40-46. Again, to score by Abu Dhabi. Now the defensive champion Abu Dhabi is now on draw. It's 64-46.
Bigay.
3 minutes. Take the shoot. 5. It's Abu Dhabi ball, Abu Dhabi. Time out. On Abu Dhabi. And again, we'd like to thank our major sponsors. Motorsports, Basketballista Mike, Chewy, and Mang Inasal. Sariong Manok. Short. Pirocho. Now, Chantengo. Agent Makalalad. Stop up. Looking for Chantengo. Time to shoot. Bang! Castillo. 66-46. Now, 20 points in the Russell Kaima. Uno. Short. Oh, he's about to power on 29 on Castillo. Substitution that's up. Second team foul on Russell Kaima. Third personal foul on Castillo.
Natin.
1 minute and 44 seconds, 14 to shoot. Whoa! 68 to 46. Wow! Basket count and one. On uno. Time out. On Russell Kaima, it's 48 to 68. 20-point lead on Russell Kaima. Second personal foul against Santiago. Third team foul against Russell Kaima. 1 minute and 33 seconds. For our do or die game. Ayos na kayo. On a speed goal shot coming from Uno.
Bukas. Kailangan mong pagalingin yan. Nice pass.
70 against seconds to 48. 1 minute and 10. Pirocho. 1 minute. Ten seconds to shoot. High. 45 seconds. Thirty-five seconds. Twenty-five seconds. And advance to the final game. It's Russell Kaima, 70 against the 48.